Most people trying to grow on YouTube are stuck in the same trap. They're watching tips. They're copying thumbnails. They're changing titles every week. And none of it works. Not because the advice is bad, but because they're fixing the wrong thing first. Before you touch thumbnails, before you touch titles, before you touch AI tools, there is one thing that has to be locked in, or everything else is noise. Here's what most creators are actually doing. They're running experiments without a plan. One week it's faceless channels. Next week it's shorts. Then it's AI voices. So they pivot, and pivot again, and again. Which means the algorithm never learns who they are, and the audience never learns why they should care. You don't have a YouTube problem. You have a strategy problem. Before anything else, you must answer one question. What is the repeatable outcome your channel promises? Not niche, not topic, not tools, just one specific outcome. For example, is the outcome to help beginners build faceless YouTube channels? Or show people how to use AI to make money? Or break down why channels fail and how to fix them? Once the outcome is locked, every video reinforces the same promise. Every thumbnail fits the same mental box. Every viewer knows what you're about in 5 seconds. That's when growth starts compounding. Most channels don't fail because of bad editing, or bad scripts, or even bad thumbnails. They fail because they feel random, and YouTube hates random. The algorithm can't recommend what it can't categorize. And people don't subscribe to channels they can't describe. If someone can't explain your channel in one sentence, it's broken. Here's the reset. Complete this sentence. If that sentence feels messy, then your channel is messy. Once that sentence is clean and easily understood, titles get easier, thumbnails get clearer, scripts stop feeling forced, and your whole system finally aligns. You stop chasing tactics and start building leverage. So now you've fixed the real problem. Not thumbnails, not AI tools, not growth hacks. You've fixed strategy. Which leads to the next question. Okay, so what's the actual plan? That's exactly what I break down in the next video. Watch the next video here to continue this. And subscribe so you don't miss the rest.